Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Energy Brew in Arc Mobile. First, gather the necessary ingredients. You'll need a few key items to get started, which we'll cover next. This brew is incredibly useful for quickly restoring your stamina during intense gameplay, allowing you to keep moving and fighting without interruption. It's a must-have for any survivor. To craft Energy Brew, you'll need 20 medjool berries, 2 narcotic, and 2 stimulant. Medjool berries are found on bushes, while narcotic and stimulant can be crafted or harvested from certain plants. Don't forget a water skin, water jar, or canteen filled with water. These ingredients are crucial for the brewing process, so make sure you have them all before proceeding. Once you have all your ingredients, place them into a cooking pot. Add some fuel, such as thatch or wood, and light the fire. The brew will begin to craft automatically. If you have access to an industrial cooker, it will significantly speed up the process, allowing you to produce multiple brews quickly. This simple process yields a powerful stamina boost. Energy Brew is essential for long journeys and intense battles, providing a quick stamina recovery. Always craft a good supply to ensure you're never caught without it. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Having a steady stock of brew can make a huge difference in your survival, so plan ahead and keep those crafting stations busy for maximum efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.